In this video, we're going to cover how to start and edit a video in Canva. First things first, make sure that you are logged into your NEISD Canva account, and we are going to go ahead and click on video. If you don't see it there, you can definitely click up here where it says create a design and choose video. Either one of those two will work. The next step in the process is to take the files from your phone, put them in your Google Drive. There's multiple ways to do that. I'm not going to cover that in this video. And once they're in your Google Drive from your Chromebook, you can upload the files directly to Canva. And once you do that, they will be found under the Videos tab. Once your videos are uploaded to Canva, now we can begin the process. I'm going to go ahead and grab my first video clip, and let's go ahead and adjust that as needed. And if there's parts of the video that you don't need, you can adjust the video by trimming the beginning and the end of the video to fit your needs. It's very important that each clip belongs on its own page. So that's my first clip. I'm going to drop my second clip onto this page, and then you can preview by clicking the play button down here. You can also adjust your playhead and play from there. Once you have all your clips ready to go and adjusted, if you want to add transitions, you can move your cursor to the middle of two clips, click on the transitions, and you can play around with some of these. I'm going to add the match and move in between that one and this one here, so that when I play it back, it's kind of a smooth transition. So play around with some of those and add your personal touch to your video.